Imagine this. You walk into a gallery. On the walls, masterpieces, beautiful, intricate, and created by robots. Wait, what? Are we talking about the future or the end of art as we know it? The AI revolution is here, and it's shaking up more than just tech. It's challenging the very essence of human creativity. But will robots replace artists? Or is there something more at play here? AI has already made its mark in art. From software that generates portraits to algorithms composing music, machines are rapidly mastering what was once considered uniquely human. But here's the twist: AI doesn't feel, it doesn't dream. So how can it truly capture the essence of emotion, the soul behind the stroke of a brush or the strum of a guitar? Yet, despite this, AI art is now being sold for millions. Is that even art?
But here's where it gets unsettling. What if AI takes over completely?
The fear is real. Artists, painters, musicians, writers are facing the growing possibility of becoming obsolete. Imagine pouring your heart into your work only to have a machine replicate it in seconds. Is there still a place for human artists in a world where algorithms can out-create us?
Sure, robots can paint. But let's be honest. Can a robot really capture the frustration of missing the last train home? Or the joy of a first kiss? Let's see if AI can paint that. The real question isn't if AI can replicate creativity, it's whether it can innovate like we do. Human art is rooted in our experiences, our imperfections, our passions. AI may learn, but can it feel what it creates? Here's the twist though. Rather than replacing us, AI might just open a new frontier for creativity. What if artists and AI could collaborate? A machine enhancing a human's vision, unlocking new possibilities that were once unimaginable. Think of it like having a superpower at your fingertips, not a threat to your existence. Could this partnership change art as we know it? Could the future of creativity lie in this fusion of man and machine? One thing's for sure, the AI revolution isn't slowing down. But whether it leads to the extinction of artists or a brilliant new era, depends on how we choose to engage with it. Want to explore more about how AI is shaping our lives right now? Check out our next video, AI in Everyday Life, how artificial intelligence impacts you, and prepare to see the world in a whole new light. Click right here and dive deeper into the AI revolution. You won't want to miss it.